2024 Chevrolet Malibu. With less than 56,000 miles on the odometer, this sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. You won't be able to pass up on these extra features: lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, power driver seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, power outlet. We'll help you find exactly what you're looking for.